Hello ladies and gentlemen, Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com. This is a Forex quick look. I'm going to take a look at the Aussie versus US dollar. Today's date is October 22nd, 2024. Let's get started. We'll look at the 4-hour chart, and you'll often hear me say that the sellers had their shot or the buyers had their shot. And the sellers had their shot yesterday when the price moved below the low price from last week. As you can see, we broke below that level, and you can see how the sellers tried to take their shot, but what did they run into? They ran into the 50% midpoint of this move up from the August low to the high price that we saw in the month of September. That was a target that needed to get to and through on the downside. If they were able to get below that level, then we look toward the 200-day moving average. But it was a moot point as the price could not stay below that level. And in trading here today, once the price started to move back above this old low rate, these lows right here, the price, we saw increased momentum. Again, this is a 4-hour chart, and the price moved up. Now, where are we at? Well, we've come back up to the 100-day moving average. That 100-day moving average comes in at 0.66952, and the high price in the current 4-hour bar just reached up to 0.66946. So just below that level. Why? Because sellers can lean against that level, put a stop above it if the price were to go above it, and risk a little to make a little bit more than a little. A little bit more than a level is little would be how far the price goes lower from this point up here. Does it head back down toward the low price that we saw in trading last week? That's still a possibility, but we do know that the sellers against that 100-day moving average probably have a stop price a little bit above this level right through here, so they're risking a little to make a little bit more than a little. This amount right there, potentially. We'll see. We don't know how it all pans out. Maybe they get stopped out with the price moving above the 100-day moving average. That's what trading's about. It's about controlling your risk, understanding your risk, knowing where the buyers and sellers are at, looking for opportunities where prices fail, or looking for opportunities where there is a decent resistance or decent support. That's the name of the game. My name is Greg McCloskey with a technical look at the Aussie versus US dollar. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.